Alright, it was Never Miss a Monday. Monday was back with and triceps today. So that was cable rope pullovers, supersetted with bent over dumbbell rows, supersetted with wide grip pull downs. First set was a straight set of each in the superset. Second round, same thing with drop sets incorporated onto each one of those sets. Triceps, straight bar press downs into dumbbell overhead extensions. Round two, drop setted inside of each of those supersets, finishing with leg curls and hyper extensions.